Hey my amazing health heroes, this is Nurse Grace and this is where real nursing actually meets real life. So today we are diving into something a little scary but also kinda funny. Did you know that some of the things that you do every single day might be slowly, silently killing your brain? Yep, your brain, the very thing that helps you binge Netflix without burning your house down. So stick with me because by the end of this video, you're going to laugh, maybe cringe, and most importantly, learn how to stop sabotaging your own brain. Now let's go. First up, let's talk about sleep health heroes. You see, skipping sleep, it is basically like running your expensive smartphone on 1% battery all day, every day, and expecting it to perform like a super computer. So when you don't get enough sleep, of course, your brain cannot clean out the trash, especially those pesky proteins that build up and are linked to memory problems and even dementia. So that late night scrolling session, yeah, your brain is not thanking you for that at all. So always try to aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep because your brain will throw you a tiny mental parade in the morning for doing this. Next up, multitasking. We all like to think we are superheroes, typing an email, texting your friend, and scrolling social media at the same time. But here's the truth, your brain is not a Swiss Army knife. So every time you switch tasks, your brain wastes energy and attention. And over time, this can make it harder to focus, remember things, or even increase stress. So what should you do instead? Try to do one thing at a time. And try to treat your brain like a luxury sports car, not a beat up old taxi. Okay, alright health heroes, I have a sweet tooth confession. I get it, sugar is delicious, but eating a ton of sugar and processed foods is like pouring sticky syrup into your car engine. And too much sugar can actually cause inflammation in the brain. It can also mess with your memory and even increase your risk of depression because your brain cells doesn't like sticky situation. So what should you do? Swap some sugar for brain-friendly foods. Think about nuts, berries, and even leafy greens because your neurons will send you a thank you text. Now let's talk about sitting. You see that your chair and desk, if they are practically married, of course your brain is suffering silently because being sedentary actually reduces blood flow to the brain, which means fewer nutrients, less oxygen, and slower thinking. This is because your brain is like a coffee machine. It needs good water flow to make that perfect cup of ideas. So stand up, stretch, take a quick walk every hour. Even a little movement actually keep your mental engine reviving smoothly. Next up, stress. Yes, so my dearest friends, we all have it. But chronic stress is like leaving your car in the sun with the windows rolled up, and high stress levels actually releases cortisol, and when cortisol is in excess, it can shrink brain areas involved in memory and learning. So basically, your brain starts acting like it's on vacation permanently. So what should you do? Try the breathing now, journaling, or even dancing around like a fool in your living room because your brain will actually forgive you for looking silly. And finally, screens. Everywhere, screens. Your phone, your tablet, your laptop, all screens. They are the little tiny vampires for your brain. And too much screen time, especially right before bed, can mess with your sleep, make you anxious, and even dull your focus. So your neurons actually need real life interaction, fresh air, sunlight, not just endless scrolling. So what should you do? Try a 30-minute tech detox daily. Go outside, stretch, and actually talk to someone face to face. This is because your brain will feel like it just got upgraded. So there you have it, my amazing health heroes. 6 sneaky ways you might be accidentally killing your brain, and more importantly, how to stop them. So if you learned something today, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and hit that notification bell so your brain doesn't miss out on future wisdom. And hey, share this with your friends before your brain starts staging a rebellion. Stay sharp, laugh often, and love your brain like it's the VIP because your brain is actually the VIP guest in your body's party. See you in the next video. Bye for now.